Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to delete education details in Superset. So step 1 would be to contact support. The most effective way to delete your personal information, including education details, is to reach out to Superset's support team at support@joinsuperset.com. Number 2 would be to request account termination. So clearly state your request to delete your account and all associated data, including education details. Step 3 would be to follow support's instructions. Superset's support team will provide you with specific instructions on how to proceed with the deletion process. This may involve confirming your request and following additional steps. Number 4 is privacy policy. Be aware that even after your account is terminated, some data may still be visible to others, especially if it has been posted on a third-party platform as stated in their privacy policy. Number 5 is data retention. Superset may retain your data for legitimate purposes such as legal obligations, dispute resolution, or enforcing agreements even after your account is terminated according to their privacy policy. So yeah, that is basically it. So to delete your Superset account education details, so you just need to contact support, and that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.